baby. That's a no-no. Tell her you're very sorry.
Crying. No. Stop crying.
What? We got a bunch of traffic. Ooh, we got to stop. Y'all sure did get quiet.
Why?
I don't know. That makes Grandma sad when brother hits sister and sister hits brother. Don't hit her, Cadino. You're a good big brother. You're supposed to protect her.
Far away. Her mother went at the boat doesn't live her day. No, I posted.
Allie, I got the camera. I don't think nobody's hidden.